Welcome to Tech Studio 24. This is the second episode of Python Basics and the concluding part of variables in Python.
In this episode, we are going to take a dive into some broader practices using variables in Python stated below. 1. Using single, double or triple quotes in printing strings. 2. Printing of strings as a statement or longer strings. 3. Printing multi-line strings with line breaks. 4. Printing of selected characters in strings. 5. Combining strings and integers or floats. 6. Immutability of Python strings. 7. Concatenation of strings in Python. And 8. Using and or in Boolean. Our IDE is Visual Studio Code. IDE meaning and definition, Integrated Development Environment. This is a software application that provides comprehensive tools to programmers for software development. IDEs typically combine several developer tools into a single, user-friendly interface to improve productivity. Some common features of IDEs include Code Editor, where developers write and edit code, often with features like syntax highlighting and code auto-completion. Compiler Interpreter, to translate code from a high-level programming language into machine code or execute the code directly. Debugger, helps in finding and fixing errors by allowing step-by-step execution and inspection of variables. Version Control Integration, supports integration with tools like Git for tracking code changes and collaboration. Examples of IDEs include Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA and PyCharm, using single, double or triple quotes in printing strings. You can use either single, double or triple quotes in Python strings, provided they are of same number of quotes being used at an instance. This means that you cannot use a single and a double at the same time. Example, name =, Paul. This is correct with same single quotes or apostrophe. Name =, Paul. This is wrong with a single and a double quotes or apostrophe.
Let's create a variable name equals to Paul with same double quotes or apostrophe. Then let's try to print this by inputting print name in closed brackets. As you can see, the string is in same double quotes. Let us now run this code to see what we got. As you can see, the code runs correctly without errors. Let us create another variable name equals to Paul with one single quote on one side and a double quotes or apostrophe on the other side. Then let's try to print this by inputting print name in closed brackets. As you can see, the string is in single and double quotes. Let us now run this code to see what we got. As you can see, the code has errors. This is because we mixed different quotes here. Printing multi-line strings with line breaks. You can print multi-line strings with breaks exactly the way the sentences are and at their breaking points. This can be done by using triple quotes as seen below. Sentence equals. The qualities of a good soldier are A. He or she must be strong. B. He or she must be resilient. C. He or she must be alert. Let's check out the output in the IDE. Let us create the variable sentence equals to type 3 quotes on both sides of the statements with multiple lines. Then let us print this statement in closed brackets. Then let us run this code. As you can see, all lines are shown in the output. Triple quotes are used to create multiple lines of strings in Python. Like and subscribe this channel below as we bring you the concluding part of this episode soon.